And let's cut across live to what's happening at the Delhi-Haryana border. The Singhu border is where Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is currently. He is in fact meeting with the farm union leaders. The Aam Aadmi Party has said this is not a political visit. He's gone there in his capacity as the Delhi Chief Minister to take stock of the kind of arrangements that have been made for the hundreds of farmers who've gathered there at the Singhu border. So Kejriwal essentially checking if all the arrangements required for farmers is being provided by the officials on ground, by the authorities on ground. He's maintained that this is not a political visit of any sorts, even as the Aam Aadmi Party has made it very clear that they are fully backing the farmers' agitation. AAP has also extended its support to the Bharat Bandh that's been called tomorrow. Arvind Kejriwal is there. We will be meeting and interacting with the farm union leaders, even as talks between the centre and these farmers has failed to really get any sort of breakthrough consensus. Anisha is joining us with more details on this. Anisha, give us a sense of what's really happening. AAP saying this is not a political visit. Kejriwal only there to review the arrangements.
Well, yes, Akshita, that is the stand that was taken by the Aam Aadmi Party leaders who are here. Arvind Kejriwal is here along with Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, the Health Minister Satyendra Jain and several other Aam Aadmi Party leaders. The area MLAs from Burari, from Rithala and other surrounding areas are also here, and they've been monitoring the situation. And if you can see the visuals behind me, Kejriwal was just monitoring the toilet blocks that have been set up here. He went inside to the GTB Memorial to see the food and chai arrangements that are there. He's also spoken to some of the Kisan leaders who've been here. And if you can see now, Kejriwal is now, seems to be now leaving after a short interaction with the farmer leaders from here. But the Aam Aadmi Party has said very clearly that they will be supporting the Bharat Bandh for tomorrow. We spoke to Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia also. He said that yes, the Aam Aadmi Party is supporting the Bharat Bandh, but they are maintaining that this is a non-political agitation in support of the farmers of the country. Back to you.
Okay, Anisha, just stay on with us. As we get to these live visuals, Arvind Kejriwal seems to be leaving there from the Singhu border. Very brief visit where he's spoken to some of the leaders of the farmer unions. He's taken a sense of the kind of arrangements being made, focused really on ensuring that there's adequate water being provided to the protesters, that there are washroom facilities, and several other steps are being taken to ensure the comfort of the protesting farmers, so spending day and night there at the border. Let's listen in to what several AAP leaders who are also there had to say. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia speaking to us.
मुख्यमंत्री जी के निर्देश पे यहाँ पर किसानों की सेवा का जो काम सरकार की ओर से किया जा रहा है, उसका निरीक्षण कर रहे हैं आज मुख्यमंत्री जी।
आप इसके अंदर भी जा रहे हैं, से मिलने भी जा रहे हैं कि अंदर की यहीं पे?
नहीं, अभी तो आज तो सेवा का काम देखना है कि जो सेवा का काम ठीक चल रहा है, जो किसानों की सेवा के लिए काम शुरू किया गया है,
बैठे हुए थे, उनसे बातचीत हुई,
उनसे भी मिली, मुलाकात की सीएम साहब ने। खुश हैं, वो बहुत खुश हैं, बता रहे हैं कि जी वो देश के लिए बैठे हैं। मतलब वो किसान कह रहे हैं कि हम बहुत अच्छे से बैठे हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Aam Aadmi Party is fully supporting the Bharat Bandh, and we, with folded hands, are requesting all the business owners in Delhi that this is not a bandh where, the political people will go with lathis and dandas in their hands and will, arm twist people to close their shops. We are requesting all the traders, all the unions.
किसानों का मुद्दा और किसानों का जो संघर्ष है वो बिल्कुल जायज़ है। शुरू से हम पूरी तरह से, मेरी सरकार और हमारी पार्टी किसानों के इस संघर्ष में साथ रहे हैं। आपको याद होगा कि शुरू में जब किसान बॉर्डर पे आए थे तो केंद्र सरकार ने, दिल्ली पुलिस ने हमसे दिल्ली के 9 स्टेडियम जेल बनाने के लिए उन्होंने परमिशन मांगी थी। उस टाइम मेरे ऊपर बहुत दबाव डाला गया, चारों तरफ से कई फोन आए, खूब दबाव बनाया गया कि किसी तरह से हम परमिशन दे दें। उनका पूरा प्लान था कि किसानों को दिल्ली आने देंगे और फिर उनको वहां से पकड़ के उनको स्टेडियम में डाल देंगे और स्टेडियम में पड़े रहेंगे। लेकिन हम लोगों ने उनकी बात नहीं सुनी, उनको परमिशन नहीं दी, और मैं समझता हूं इससे आंदोलन को मदद मिली। उसके बाद से लगातार हमारी पूरी सरकार, हमारे एमएलए हमारे पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता, हमारे मंत्रीगण, मैं खुद, हम लोग एक सेवादार की तरह किसानों की सेवा करने में लगे हुए हैं। आज भी मैं यहाँ पे मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पे नहीं आया, मैं एक सेवादार के तौर पे आया हूँ, सेवा करने के लिए आया हूँ, किसानों की सेवा करने के लिए आया हूँ। किसान 24 घंटे मेहनत करके खून पसीना बहा के अन्न उगाता है हमारे लिए, हमारी सेवा करता है। आज किसान मुसीबत में है, हम सब का, पूरे देशवासियों का फर्ज है कि किसानों के साथ खड़े और उनकी सेवा करें। तो मैं आज सारी सुविधाओं का जायजा लेने आया। यहाँ पे ये टॉयलेट्स हैं, ये मैं देखा साफ सफाई ठीक है, उधर पानी की व्यवस्था है, बता रहे अंदर तक पानी जा नहीं पा रहा, तो आज ये मोटर वगैरह और पाइपलाइन लगा के अंदर पानी ले जाएंगे। उधर रहने की भी व्यवस्था देखी, किचन भी देखी, एम्बुलेंस भी देखी।
क्या जानकारी ली आपने जब आपने आपसे?
किसानों ने कहा कि इंतजाम से वो सेटिस्फाइड हैं, लेकिन मैं लगातार संपर्क में हूँ। हमारे जर्नैल सिंह यहाँ पे जो एमएलए हैं, कल रात को यहीं सोए हैं, वो उनके समर्थन में पूरी रात ही यहीं पे सोए हैं। तो हमारे सारे वॉलंटियर्स, सारे कार्यकर्ता, सारे ऑफिसर्स सेवा में लगे हुए हैं और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि इसका जल्द से जल्द समाधान।
आम आदमी पार्टी कल बंद का समर्थन भी किया है क्या? इस तरह
आम आदमी पार्टी कल जो किसानों ने 8 तारीख को भारत बंद का आह्वान किया है, आम आदमी पार्टी पूरी तरह से उसका समर्थन करती है और सारे कार्यकर्ता हमारे इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे पूरे देश भर में। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि पूरे शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से पूरे देश के अंदर सब लोग इसमें शामिल हों। मैं पूरे देश के लोगों से अपील करता हूं कि सब लोग इसमें शामिल हों।
4 मंडियों को बदला गया है आपकी तरफ से, जो 4 मंडियों को बदला गया है, जो उनको कानून जो लागू किए गए हैं उसमें
वो गलत अफवाहें फैलाई जा रही हैं, ये बिल्कुल गलत है।
जो 9 स्टेडियम की आपने बात की, 9 स्टेडियम को जेल में बदलने की, उसका आपको क्या रहा कि कितना प्रेशर कुछ डाला आपने? कहा
बहुत प्रेशर उस टाइम आया था, कई लोगों के फोन आए थे कि इसको कर दीजिए, क्योंकि इनकी पूरी प्लानिंग ये थी केंद्र सरकार की उस टाइम कि इनको अंदर आके और उनको स्टेडियम में सबको डाल दिया जाएगा और इस तरह से आंदोलन खत्म हो जाएगा। लेकिन हम लोगों ने भी अपनी आत्मा की आवाज़ सुनी। कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपको इसकी चिंता नहीं करनी होती कि इसके परिणाम क्या निकलेंगे, आपको अपनी आत्मा की आवाज़ सुननी होती है।
थैंक यू।
So Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, after meeting with several of the farmers who are protesting at the Singhu border, lashing out to the centre, saying that the centre refused to give permission for this particular agitation, and that the Delhi government also, when there was an attempt by the Delhi police to seek permission from them to turn stadiums in Delhi into temporary jails, refused permission for the same. He's again expressed solidarity with the farmers who were protesting there, also saying that the farmers that he'd spoken to said they were happy, were comfortable with the kind of arrangements made. Anisha Mathur joining us with more details on this. Anisha, Arvind Kejriwal, after that brief visit to the Singhu border, meeting with farmers, saying and again questioning the centre over the fact that permission wasn't given for this protest.
Well, yes, Akshita, the Chief Minister was here for a short visit. He was here for just about 10 odd minutes. He came in, he went to the arrangements that have been made at the GTB Memorial for medical facilities, as well as the some of the food and mobile charging stations that have been put there. Jal board vehicles are there, ambulances are there. That is what he took a look at. He took a tour of the area. He met with some of the farmer leaders who had come there to speak to him. He came and saw the toilet arrangements that have been made here. If I can just ask my camera person to pan around, all of these arrangements, these temporary toilets that have been set up, the water arrangements, he looked at all of that. And what the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister and other leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party have been saying is that they are supporting the Bharat Bandh that has been called for tomorrow. He's also attacked the central government for not allowing the farmers to protest inside Delhi. We also spoke to Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia about the fact that the government is saying that the opposition is politicizing these protests. He said that the government should listen to what the farmers are saying instead of instead of ignoring them. And that is the stand that the Aam Aadmi Party is taking now, and with tomorrow's Bharat Bandh and the meeting expected between the farmer leaders and the government on the 9th. We'll have to see how this develops, because the farmers here are very clear on their stand that they will not back down.
You know, Anisha, in the run-up to Kejriwal's visit also, you got several voices from the ground from AAP leaders who said that, look, this is not a political visit. But the fact that Kejriwal is there, no doubt, will lead to a lot of politics, will lead to a lot of reactions from the BJP.
Well, yes, a lot of political statements and a lot of back and forth between the BJP and the opposition has been going on in the last 12 days that these farmers have been here at the protest site. Remember, from the beginning, the Aam Aadmi Party has been facing off, and even today, Kejriwal pointed out that he had refused to allow the stadiums in Delhi to be used as open jails for the farmers. We've also seen several other political parties jumping in and announcing their support to the farmer protests. Here, of course, because this is Delhi's borders, Aam Aadmi Party volunteers have been around. Even at the Buradi grounds, they had set up the langars for the farmers who had come there. They've also set up these space for water as well as medical facilities. Even here, Kejriwal had come to check on the what they were saying is that as the chief minister, it's his responsibility to ensure that nothing untoward happens, that all facilities, including water, toilets, medical facilities, are put in place. And that is what the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are saying, that was the purpose behind the chief minister's visit, to make sure that all of these facilities are there. But since he's also met with the farmer leaders, since a lot of political statements have also been made, this farmer protest is of course going to lead to a political face-off, particularly since the Farm Acts have been a major political flashpoint from the time that they were brought to the parliament till today, when the farmers are on the ground to protest.
All right, Anisha, request you to stay on with us as we beam these visuals from just a few minutes ago of Arvind Kejriwal's visit to the Singhu border.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.